Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the seat to expose the hinges. Loosen the mounting nuts beneath the bowl with an adjustable wrench while holding the top bolts to prevent spinning. Once done, lift the seat and lid straight up. Some models have quick-release buttons you press. You do this early because clear access prevents cross-threading and makes inspection easier. Make sure to keep fasteners and plastic washers together. They determine alignment when you reattach the new or repaired hinge. You now examine each hinge component to find the real problem: cracked plastic, worn bushings, or stripped threads. If bushings are damaged, swap them for the new kit parts. If threads are stripped, wrap bolts with a small amount of thread tape or use a slightly larger bolt for a tight fit. While reassembling, keep the hinge halves aligned and tighten each nut a little at a time so the torque distributes evenly. This prevents stress fractures and ensures the lid sits square. You finish by hand-starting bolts to avoid cross-threading, then tighten them evenly until snug. Don't over-tighten because the porcelain and plastic can crack. Once attached, open and close the lid 5 to 10 times to seat parts and observe any wobble or binding. If it moves, retorque in small increments or add a thin shim under the hinge to remove play. If binding or noise continues, replace the entire hinge assembly. Partial fixes save time, but full replacement ensures long-term stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.